I'm making chicken and waffles with maple syrup, a common dish easily found throughout the southern US. Putting berries on waffles is no secret, and cooking chicken, it isn't really hard. The combination of putting chicken and waffles together, served with butter and syrup, or even gravy, was discovered a long time ago. I want to show you how this chicken fried using the Big Boss air fryer. I also want to show you how to use the waffle iron to make your own waffles instead of having to buy frozen ones. The exact origins of this dish are unknown. Waffles entered the American cuisine in the 1600s with European colonists. The food's popularity saw a notable boost after 1789 with Thomas Jefferson's purchase of 4 waffle irons in Amsterdam. The only oil I used was enough to ensure the chicken didn't stick. I marinated the chicken overnight and I used the top rack, flipping the chicken twice to prevent the skin from burning and following the recommended settings. It was super juicy and crispy on the outside. Start with 2 eggs. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups of 2% milk,